Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am getting ready to wash my hair. It is hair day, wash day. I'm sorry guys, but we don't want to keep looking like this, so I will be using my As I Am coconut co-wash. This stuff is so freaking amazing. So here it is, As I Am coconut co-wash. It's a cleansing cream conditioner. I usually leave it in for a little while, not too long, but this stuff is amazing the longer you leave it in. To me, I like to put it in and just let it sit. It has a great texture. The slip on it is amazing. It's not much buildup, and I've used this product and other products so many times. So as you can see, I am putting the product in my hair. I am only finger detangling. Before I started, I had just took out I just took out some individuals. So it is strictly straight out of individuals, no wash, no comb through. I'm going straight into micro wash. As you can see here, I've already applied some of the product, so I'm just letting you see a little bit of how my texture is looking. I am loving these curls, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. I'm so excited. For those who didn't know, I am newly natural, so these curls is popping to me. But I'm in love. Get this hair out of my mouth. But so here we go. This is how we're looking over here. Everything is in. You can see that the product has been distributed throughout my whole entire head. I'm super excited to wash this out and see the results. So I'll probably be leaving this in for a couple of hours. I'm going to do some errands, do some running around. If it say leave it in for 2 minutes, leave it in for 2 hours. See ya. Everybody, so this is how my hair came out. So this is my first time wearing my hair natural. So something for me to get used to. Tell me how it looks. Tell me what y'all think.
Tell her it looks fine.
What you think? Tell me what you think.
It looks good.
How does it look good? Why?
It looks good. I've seen you wear that like before.
Not my real hair. It was. I had wigs.
Family, yeah.
No, I had wigs like this.
Well, it's the same thing.
It's not the same. It's different.
No, it's not.
What you think about it? Tell me what you think about it.
I keep telling you it looks fine.
What does it look like?
It's natural.
What does it look like?
It looks like your hair. Like,
okay.
What do you want me to say?
I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Maybe that's why I'm questioning everybody. Because, okay, don't mind my eyes. I know they are really puffy. I found out I lost a friend last night and I was crying, so I don't have any eyelashes on right now. So I'll put some on and I'm going to post more pictures. But like I said, this is, what would you guys say I have? Like 4C hair? You guys tell me what you think the texture is. I think the front of my hair is a lot looser, only because I used to put a lot of heat on the front when I was wearing leave outs in order to transition. So, but yeah. So tell me what you guys think. Leave your comments below. Give me some ideas of some protective styles, or even just any kind of styles that I could do with my hair. So thank you guys so much. Be out.